We're back for the last part in our little series,
Yes.
part 6. Yes.
Yes.
So we have been through all kinds of history with you and moving throughout the years. So let's maybe fast forward a little bit to how about when you decided to give me the store? How about that?
Okay, that would be good. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so this is what's going on from 1992 till
2002 I took over
2002,
officially.
yes. Yeah. Okay, so my children went to college. Natalie went to U of A, right?
And
in
ASU.
Tucson,
Yep.
in Tucson, yeah, and the ASU. And she wanted to become a horticulturist.
No, I wanted to go to school to be an herbalist, but that did not exist at that time. There was no programs available.
Mhm.
And the closest thing my advisor told me is that I could do urban horticulture, which is landscaping, essentially. And so I went, and that just didn't seem right. So I ended up going to Clayton College instead and doing the herbal program there.
But between the college and the what did you say, Clayton College, I remember you called me one time from Tucson, and you were having an asthmatic attack. It was early in the morning, and she said, "Mom, I can't breathe. I can't breathe." And I said, "What have you got?" "Nothing." And then I said, "Okay, go downstairs to the cafeteria, out of the vending machine, get a very strong coffee." And so finally you were able to, well, you did that, and then you were able to breathe again. And then you came home and you said, "Mom, I don't want to really go to college anymore because I don't feel I'm learning the things that I'm wanting to learn."
No.
And you were very determined, and you said, "I want to do what you do."
Yep.
And I said, "Okay, well, just
come on
over." And and it was also a perfect timing because, I was just telling that last episode, the computer became very dominant, and it was just not for me. Oh, then I had to do the accounting, like from a spreadsheet to, I don't know, what program did we have then?
Probably Excel or QuickBooks or Quicken.
I'm sure I could have learned it, but my heart just wasn't in there. Looking at this screen, and I just couldn't do it. So
you wanted to drink tea and play with herbs, right?
Yes, yeah, and talk to people. And then Natalie came to my rescue. I said, "Mom, I'll just do all that." I said, "Okay, I will dust the shelves and fill the jars."
And make formulas, and
of course,
more than dusting shelves.
Yeah, I know. Just trying to keep humble now.
Well, you're the backbone of this business, so
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you don't realize it as time goes by. I mean, I can't believe that it's been 31 years.
I know, right?
Yeah. Saturday we're celebrating 31 years. Yeah, so like I make a joke, we're not in the teenage years. We're mature women.
Yes, young woman.
Yeah, young woman.
Young
yes.
woman. Yes, yes.
So I'm really looking forward to celebrate again on Saturday. And,
nice.
I'm seeing people, many of the people that come to the store, even to Pine, are people I've known since that time, Town and Country. I mean, some people have followed us, and especially between the time where we kind of closed all the stores and we came to Pine, and people say, "Where have you gone?" And they find us.
Yeah.
And it is so nice, and they come on our celebration, well, in between too, but it is so nice to catch up and tell me their stories about their herbal experiences.
Sure.
Really, really wonderful. Yeah, look forward.
Nice. So maybe we should maybe close out this episode talking about franchising.
Oh, okay.
And what our dream was and why we decided not to do it.
Yes. So my dream was that I became very much in demand. I mean, I was on TV probably every week, and I never paid for them. They just came and wanting to know what's in those jars. So I don't remember.
The Love Doctor.
Yes, I remember one time I was filling herbs for somebody, and those days, you had the scale, you had your jar and your baggie, and you would bag things in, and we would have conversations about what are you doing with that and this and that. And all of a sudden, a TV crew came in. I don't remember, ABC or somebody. And they all came with a, oh, do you mind? We take a, I said, oh. And so anyway, so this lady was with a microphone. I said, what are you doing here? I said, oh, we're filling some damiana. What's that for? And the lady that was actually buying it, and she said, it's a good aphrodisiac. And so they got, people got there. What do you mean aphrodisiac? Oh, that's wonderful. And we had this conversation. And I said, when is that clip going to be on tonight? So she said 6:00, I guess just before the news or after the news. And so anyway, here I see my picture on TV, and underneath it says the Love Doctor. Nobody asked my permission for that. So lo and behold, days after, weeks after, people, where is the Love Doctor? It was so embarrassing. Definitely want to remember that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
So anyway, so some other people, like business people, would come and ask me, don't you want to franchise, especially that company that was trying to put everything on the computer like they do, nationwide. And they said, oh, you can franchise. So they helped me put it together. And
which is very complicated. You need a UFOC, you need lawyers. Yes. It's a very big deal.
Yeah. So I don't know, I really don't want to talk too much about it because it was a very difficult time. Yeah. Because I'm an herbalist. I'm not saying I'm not a businesswoman, I'm too, but it was just their dreams were not my dreams.
I think the bottom line is that we chose to be herbalists as opposed to franchisors, which then changes the business model from being dealing with people to now dealing with owners underneath that may have their own ideas. And so instead of talking about herbs, you now start talking about business.
Yes.
Very different jobs.
Yeah. And since you were very busy mending the store, I had to deal with this business stuff. And I just, it was not exactly what I wanted. So Natalie, when Natalie came, back from U of A and start taking over, and she says, Mom, we're just going to make our own stuff because the rules also changed, and we didn't like that. The authorities wanted us to do. We didn't like that very much.
Or the products that were out there, standardizing was starting to become a big thing.
Yeah. I said, what do you mean standardizing? What is that? And then look it up about standardization. These are not herbs anymore.
Nope.
In my opinion.
I agree.
I don't like standardized herb. I would never take those. But so we just put it out there. We're going to do our own stuff one day. It's just how. So you just put it out there to the universe. Please, God, come and help us. I don't know how to do this. And so actually it was really sad because one day you were somewhere and then you called me and I was in a car accident. You were in a car accident. And I said, oh no, my gosh. And of course went to the emergency. You didn't get badly hurt, but there was enough injuries to kind of rethink your life. And you said, I don't want to live in the city anymore. It's too dangerous. And I'm very nervous driving now. And you happened to be coming to Payson one weekend. And you came back and I said, Mom, it's so beautiful up there. I saw the Swiss villages. I see these A-frame houses. And I want to go.
Fireplaces with smoke coming out of the roof.
Yes.
Woods.
And lo and behold, she's decided, that's it, I'm moving to Payson.
Yep.
So I'm not going to be alone in the valley because I was also ready to move too. So we moved to Payson and then to Pine, where in Pine we decided to manufacture, making things.
Yeah, everything.
Everything. Yes. Yeah. Maybe not the cookies, but
no, everything with our name on it.
Everything
with our name on it.
So, and Natalie is very, you're very good with keeping control. So every product we make has a control sheet. And with the lot numbers and make sure it's certified organic. She also identifies the herbs because, once in a while, even these big companies like Frontier, they send us the wrong thing or maybe it's not cut the right way. And she's able to identify it and then log it and all that stuff. And so, it's really feel good. So we have a capsule making machine. So all our capsules are made here.
Yep.
all our extracts, and we just
soap, teas, everything.
Salves,
yeah. And we expanded to wholesale also. So we have several wholesale customers that we make custom products for, or they buy our products and resell it. And so we expanded in a different way, which I think hopefully you're still proud of.
Yes, I'm very proud of. I'm so because I can still be involved.
Of course.
And sometimes you ask my opinion. Actually, all the time you ask my opinion. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
And, you know, I'm just so proud of Natalie. She did a wonderful job. And, you know, just to come on in and have a look. All the labels, she just came up with it. And I guess it's all those art classes I was driving you.
Yes.
On the weekends. And so all the labels are made by her. She follows the directions of the FDA because they have certain requirements.
Insurance too.
And insurance and, you know, just to make sure that we have always safe, you know, it's for people's safety.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, I'm proud of you.
Well, thank you for starting it. And hopefully this gave you a little bit of insight into everything that you went through to start our business.
Yeah.
And hopefully we see you tomorrow.
That's
Saturday.
Oh, yes, Saturday.
Yes.
Yeah.
So come on in and visit with us.
Visit with us. Yeah, that would be really great.
All right. Take care. We'll see you again.
Okay, bye.
Bye.